I'm out here drilling with Tan. And as we know, we should be drilling 80% of the time and only playing 20% of the time. Okay, beginners, here's something that changed my entire game. And guess what that is? That is, do not break your wrist when you are dinking. Don't go like this, don't go like that, just keep your wrist straight. Check this out.
Torturing him, Jeff.
Hit it to me, Chip. There you go. Now break your wrist.
See, even when I do a backhand, I don't break my wrist. But here's what I used to do, and here's what I see many of you, what you do. You do stuff like that, little crazy stuff, do little wrist movements, and do like, it's so hard to, oh, look, I hit it out. It's so hard, so keep your wrist straight. Now, I'm a pretty good player, I'm all right, I'm just a little bit better than a beginner. But here's my drill master, tell them why they shouldn't break their wrist.
Yeah, if you break the wrist, again, your motion now is different every single time. Your wrist muscle, how much I'm gonna have to hit, versus you just use your shoulder, keep your wrist firm. It's the same motion every single time. And now, you get used to the same motion, and that's all it is. One muscle, shoulder muscle. It's no longer a wrist. That's it.
Okay, that's Chip's tip for the day.